Let's have a look at the Apple HomePod today, their foray into the premium speaker market. 3 things we love about it. Number 1, the sound quality is amazing. It's got the built-in woofer, 6 tweeters, each with their own amp, and 6 microphones. This baby fills a room with sound and music. Number 2, Siri always hears you. It's got a built-in A8 chip, the same as an iPhone 6, and it's been recently updated to make phone calls as well. And number 3, it's also a smart home hub. It's HomeKit compatible. So if you're living in that Apple ecosystem, you've got other HomeKit devices like lights, switches, this will work perfectly with it, and you can use your voice to control everything. 3 surprises. Number 1, the setup on this was fantastic. It's easy. You basically just tap your iOS device like your iPhone, and it gets all the info it needs. This is probably the easiest setup I've ever come across when it comes to a speaker like this. Number 2, it EQs to the room. It actually reads the surroundings with its microphones and adjusts the speaker sound accordingly. And if you happen to pick it up and take it to another room, it'll EQ that room as well. Number 3, a surprise, it doesn't have an auxiliary input and also no Bluetooth, but you can use AirPlay 2, which is Apple's wireless standard. AirPlay 2 compatible speakers like Sonos can spread the sound out around your entire house. 3 things to know before you buy. Number 1, you need to be in the Apple ecosystem. So if you've got the iPhones and iPads in your home, this will work perfectly with it. If you're an Android ecosystem, might not be for you. Number 2, this really is aimed at audiophiles. It's a premium sound experience. It might be lacking a little bit in the mid-range, but it does have killer bass. And did I mention it does fill the room up with music? And finally, number 3, we think of it as what the name hints at, HomePod, Home iPod. If you are in that Apple ecosystem, if you are a music lover and like great sound, this truly is a premium experience. Again, it's the Apple HomePod. You'll want to check this one out.